Picture this, an elegant X-shaped chair, pale with ivory gleam, folded under a cloak in a crowded Roman forum. No backrest, no armrests, just a clean, severe frame. Someone sets it down, opens it with a click, and every voice around falls quiet. Why would a simple seat silence a city? This is the Curule seat, Sella Curulis, the portable throne of Roman power. If you had the right to sit here, you didn't just have comfort, you had imperium. Consuls, praetors, dictators, even censors at times, magistrates whose words could command armies and courts, claimed this perch. It began before Rome, likely Etruscan, a war leader's folding chair you could carry from camp to council. That portability mattered. Authority had to move, into the forum, onto the battlefield, through triumphal parades. Lictors with fasces cleared the path, the curule chair unfolded, and justice, or judgment, took its seat. No ordinary Roman dared sit on it. The chair wasn't about comfort, it was about visibility. No back to lean on, carved in marble on sarcophagi, tucked into imperial portraits. Centuries later, it resurfaces. French Empire designers revive its lines. American civic buildings borrow its authority, and your folding director's chair? It nods to the same silhouette. The curule seat is a paradox. Humble material, enormous meaning. It reminds me that power isn't just robes, palaces, or titles. A chair that says, "Listen up, the state is speaking."